Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Lake Wales, Florida. Transform your body with Ozempic, the celebrity secret for weight loss in Lake Wales. Are you tired of fad diets and endless hours at the gym with little to no results? Look no further than Ozempic, the revolutionary weight loss medication that has taken the celebrity world by storm. With its proven track record, it's no wonder that it's quickly becoming the go-to solution for those looking to shed unwanted pounds in Lake Wales. Unlike other weight loss medications, Ozempic works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which regulates appetite and helps to control blood sugar levels. This means that not only will you feel fuller for longer, but you'll also be less likely to reach for sugary snacks throughout the day. But don't just take our word for it. Celebrities such as Adele, Rebel Wilson, and James Corden have all publicly endorsed Ozempic as their secret to weight loss success. And with its easy-to-use injection format, it's never been easier to incorporate Ozempic into your daily routine. The benefits of Ozempic for your health and well-being. Not only does Ozempic assist with weight loss, but it also has a range of other health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. By regulating blood sugar levels, Ozempic can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and associated complications such as kidney disease and nerve damage. In addition, Ozempic has been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. So not only will you look great on the outside, but you'll also be healthier on the inside. And with its long-lasting effects, Ozempic only needs to be taken once a week, making it a convenient and hassle-free option for those with busy lifestyles. Real results from real people. Ozempic success stories in Lake Wales. But don't just take our word for it, the results speak for themselves. Countless individuals in Lake Wales have experienced life-changing weight loss results with Ozempic. Take Sarah, for example. After struggling with her weight for years, she decided to give Ozempic a try. Within just a few months, she had lost over 30 pounds and felt more confident and energized than ever before. Or how about John, who had tried countless diets and exercise programs with little success? With Ozempic, he was able to shed over 50 pounds and keep it off for good. These success stories are not uncommon. With Ozempic, weight loss is achievable and sustainable. So why not give it a try for yourself and see the results firsthand? Is Ozempic right for you? Before starting any weight loss program, it's important to consult with your doctor to determine if it's the right option for you. But for those who are struggling with their weight and looking for a safe, effective solution, Ozempic may be the answer. With its proven track record and celebrity endorsements, it's clear that Ozempic is a game changer in the world of weight loss. So why not join the countless individuals in Lake Wales who have already experienced its life-changing effects? How to get started with Ozempic. If you're ready to take the next step in your weight loss journey, getting started with Ozempic is easy. Simply schedule an appointment with your doctor to discuss whether Ozempic is right for you, and they can prescribe it for you. Once you have your prescription, all you need to do is follow the easy injection instructions and incorporate Ozempic into your daily routine. With its long-lasting effects, you'll only need to take it once a week, making it the perfect solution for those with busy schedules. Experience the life-changing effects of Ozempic today. So what are you waiting for? Join the countless individuals in Lake Wales who have already experienced the incredible weight loss benefits of Ozempic. With its proven track record, celebrity endorsements, and easy-to-use format, it's never been easier to transform your body and improve your overall health and well-being. Get info about Lake Wales, Florida. If you are willing to take the initial step in the direction of a much healthier, extra certain you, then currently is the moment to sign up for our Ozempic weight management program. Our program is created to assist you reach your Ozempic weight reduction goals in Florida while giving you the assistance and knowledge you require to be successful. From customized dish plans to individually mentoring, our program is customized to your private requirements. So do not wait any longer, subscribe currently and also get started on your journey to a healthier, better you. Ozempic is a prescription medication used to treat type 2 diabetes and aid in weight loss. It is administered by injection once a week. Ozempic works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce appetite. Studies have shown that Ozempic can lead to significant weight loss in people with type 2 diabetes. In one study, patients who took Ozempic lost an average of 12 pounds over 26 weeks. Ozempic has also been shown to reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular events in people with diabetes. Common side effects of Ozempic include nausea, diarrhea, and constipation. Rare but serious side effects may include pancreatitis, kidney problems, or allergic reactions. Ozempic should not be used by people with a history of pancreatitis or medullary thyroid cancer, or by women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. It is important to follow your doctor's instructions carefully when using Ozempic, and to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. Ozempic may interact with other medications, so be sure to tell your doctor about any other drugs you are taking. Some people may experience hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, while taking Ozempic, especially if they are also taking insulin or other diabetes medications. Your doctor may need to adjust your dosage of Ozempic or other medications to avoid hypoglycemia. Ozempic is not a substitute for a healthy diet and regular exercise, and it is important to continue these lifestyle changes while taking the medication. Talk to your doctor about whether Ozempic is right for you and how it can be incorporated into your overall diabetes management plan. Ozempic may be covered by insurance, but costs may vary depending on your plan and location. Your doctor may also be able to provide information on patient assistance programs or other resources to help you afford Ozempic. If you experience any unusual symptoms or side effects while taking Ozempic, be sure to contact your doctor right away. It is important to store Ozempic properly, in a cool, dry place away from light and heat. Do not use Ozempic if it has been frozen or if the expiration date has passed. If you are looking for an Ozempic weight loss clinic in Safety Harbor, Florida, then Ozempic Weight Loss Clinic in Safety Harbor is a great resource to find one. These clinics can provide support in the form of weight loss medication and Ozempic and Wegovy, semaglutide, injections when used alongside a healthy diet and active lifestyle.